Hi everyone. Welcome to Learn with Confidence, where we make learning English simple, fun, and practical. In today's video, we'll explore essential English questions that will help you improve your speaking skills. These questions are easy to use and perfect for daily conversations. Let's dive in. 1. What's your name? This is the most common way to start a conversation. Answer: My name is Olivia. What's yours? For example, my name is Olivia. What's yours? 2. How are you today? A polite way to check on someone. Answer: I'm doing great, thank you. How about you? Or simply, I'm good, thanks. 3. Where are you from? This is great for meeting someone new. Answer: I'm from Toronto, Canada. Where are you from? Or, I'm from California. 4. What do you do for work? This is a good way to talk about jobs. Answer: I'm an engineer. Or, I'm a teacher. Example: I work in marketing. What about you? 5. What's your favorite hobby? This question helps you connect with others. Answer: My favorite hobby is painting. You could also say, I love hiking and reading books. 6. Can you help me, please? A polite way to ask for help. Answer: Sure, what do you need? For example, can you help me carry this bag? 7. What's the weather like today? A common question for small talk. Answer: It's sunny and warm today, or it's cloudy and cold. For example, it's raining, so don't forget your umbrella. 8. How much does this cost? Essential for shopping conversations. Answer: It costs $20, or it's $15. You can also ask, is there a discount available? 9. What's your favorite food? A fun and relatable question. I answer: My favorite food is pizza. What about you? Example: I love sushi. What's your favorite? 10. Can we meet tomorrow? Perfect for planning something with a friend. Answer: Yes, let's meet at 2 p.m. Or, sorry, I'm busy. How about next week? 11. Do you speak any other languages? This is a great way to learn more about someone. Answer: Yes, I speak Spanish. Or, no, I'm only fluent in English. And that's it for today's lesson on essential English questions to improve your speaking skills. Practice these questions every day, and you'll see how much easier it becomes to speak English confidently. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more English lessons. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and take care.